So I'm on a boardwalk and there's signs of all the wildlife, and one of them is black bear. Mind you, the boardwalk is really close to the water and you have no place to go but back. So I got my spray with me. I don't get nervous hiking, but this kind of makes me nervous. I just heard something in the water and it was not a fish. I'm going back. That was big. Shit. Wow. It was about 10 feet off the boardwalk. Okay. Whatever it was scared of me. But it was in the water and it hurried up and got out of the water. It made a really big slosh. That's not a bird. Who knows? Maybe it was a beaver. I don't think so. I'm headed back. That was way too close for comfort. Oh my gosh. Maybe it was a deer. Oh my gosh. He's right here. Oh, it's a fawn. He's young. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. Wow, I didn't expect you on the trail. Yeah, come on. You can go across. I won't hurt you. He's not scared of me at all. Hello. It was meant for me to come back to see this. Wow. He's so close. He's going back. Yeah. Thank you for crossing my path. That noise back there was not a deer. Deers don't slosh. They're very agile. It's crossing the water. Look at that. Wow. This is incredible. I've never been this close in their natural environment. I forgot that I have quite a ways to go back. Wow, this is wild. I thought boardwalk trail, that's innocent. I really thought the boardwalk would be higher up from the water, but it's not. It's right there. I'm not joking. So now I go to the National Wildlife Refuge and I'm in my Jeep. I don't hike. And I see the bear. But this is like taking a hike in the woods. Because shoot, a bear could get on this boardwalk in a heartbeat. Whew. I've never been so happy to almost have a hike over with in my life. This isn't even a hike, this is just a boardwalk trail. Whew. Yeah. There's a lot of deer out there, I can hear them. Oh, I made it off the boardwalk. I'm not done yet though. I can see the welcome center inside. hard to believe that all that's right here by the visitor center. That was quite a trail. This is where they told me people see the bears. I didn't say anything about the boardwalk. Which, hello, the boardwalk is not that far from this. I am so glad to have this trail over with. That was cool. That was exciting. I'm glad I caught it on camera. The noise, the slosh, the deer. Wow. But that was a little too close for comfort to a bear. Now I get to sit in this swing and breathe and feel a wonderful breeze. That was wild. I will not take trails anymore like that when they say that there's bear nearby. But I did it.